Now we are in the next video where we'll learn how to do multiplication of matrices. But one condition here. Condition is number of column in first matrix must be equal to number of rows in second matrix. So number of column here is 2 and number of row is here 2. So if we have to find out A into B, or can be said as AB, so this will be equal to 3540 into 1324. We'll now start our multiplication. At first, this one will be multiplied to this one. Your box will be 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3. Then this 3 by 4 will be multiplied to this one. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4. Now I'll start with this one. This set of 5 and 0 will be multiplied to this one. 5 into 1 plus 0 into 3. And then this 5 into 0 will be multiplied to this one. So 5 into 2 plus 0 into 4. So AB will come out as 3 1 are 3 plus 4. 3 plus 12, 5 plus 0, 6 plus 16 and 10 plus 0. So result will be equal to 15, 5, 22 and 10. So you have to be careful that first row is multiplied to first column here, then first row is multiplied to second column here. Now second row is multiplied to first column here, and second row is multiplied to second column here. And whatever addition and subtraction you have to do, you will do and will get the result. So, but you have to be very, very careful when you are doing multiplication. So now about multiplication of matrix, one more fact is there. If order of matrix A is m into n, and order of matrix B is n into P. See, number of column is equal to number of row. Then AB is possible, and order of AB is equal to, and order of matrix A will be, AB will be product of this and this. This will be M into P. For example, if A is of order 3 into 2 is multiplied to B of order 2 into 5. So if A of order 3 into 2 is multiplied to B of order 2 into 5. So order of AB will be, see, its number of column is equal to number of row. So its order will be 3 into 5. Similarly, if P of order 5 into 3 is multiplied to Q of order 3 into 2. See again, number of column is equal to number of row. So order of PQ will be product of this 5 into 2. One more thing you have to know, that when AB we are finding, AB we are calculating, product of A and B we are calculating. If A and B is multiplied, means AB is calculated and B is multiplied to A, then BA is calculated. be careful that AB cannot be equal to B into A. Means we can say that product of matrix A and matrix B is so product of matrix A and B, matrix B is not commutative. One thing more, this is one of the fact. Another fact is, if matrix A is multiplied to unit matrix, so obviously result will be A into I, and matrix I is multiplied to matrix A, so it will be I into A. So result will be A into I, or we can say that AI. So value of AI will be equal to value of IA. Value of AI will be equal to value of IA, and it will be equal to matrix A itself.